Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion task views for simplified weekly planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and navigate to your workspace. Create a new page by clicking on the plus button. Select the database option from the menu. Choose table to start building your task list. In the table, add columns for task name, due date, status, and priority. Populate your table with a few sample tasks. Now, click on the plus Add a View option to create a new view. Name your new view Weekly Planner. Select Board as the view type for a visual layout of tasks. Next, filter the tasks by due date for the current week. To do this, click on Filter and select Due Date. Set the filter to show tasks that are in the date range of today to the end of the week. Now it's time to group your tasks. Click on Group By and select Status. This will help you see which tasks are not started, in progress, or completed. You can also drag and drop tasks to update their status easily. If you want to customize the look, click on Customize to modify properties shown in the view. Consider adding color coding based on priority by editing the priority property. Once you're satisfied with the setup, return to your weekly planner view. Now you can easily see your tasks for the week at a glance. Use this view to prioritize your workload and stay organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.